Hi everyone, my name is Zaratsian. I'm an event and floral designer. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful winter love arrangement. Let's go back into my workshop area and I'm going to show you how this is done. This arrangement that I'm going to be making for you today, it's called Winter Love. I'm using a very simple mercury glass vase, and I'm going to use beautiful variegated tulips and Dusty Miller, just two elements. First, I'm going to take my beautiful variegated tulips and I'm going to take off whatever's bad, and I'm going to line them up in one length, literally, so they're all even and on top. Now, I'm not worried about the bottom because I want the tops of the tulips to be all in line with each other. After I do that, I'm going to cut it up. And what I like about tulips, they're like celeries. And I'm rotating this so I get an even amount, so it's not, the tulips are not going in one direction, they're all over. Tulips, again, come in so many different varieties. And the fun fact about tulips is once they're cut in an arrangement, they're the actually only flower that grows out of the water once it's done. So I've got this. Now I'm going to take my wire, tie it up with raffia, simply tie it up like so, bound it. There you go. And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut it like a celery, like so. Get rid of all the trash. And then I'm going to cut the excess wires off, like so. And that's trash. And then I'm going to take my Dusty Miller and I'm going to go in really, really, really low, like so. So it almost becomes a collar to the tulips. Like this. And twist it around. Put some more. And once I'm done with this, cut it up. And then I'm going to toss it in, not toss it, but drop it in the vase. So. Look how simple and easy this was to do. Literally. Make sure it stands up correctly. And there you go. A beautiful mercury arrangement with tulips and Dusty Miller. For more information on my video tutorials, go to my YouTube channel, Zaratsian, and I'll see you next time.